Have you ever felt like giving up on your keto journey? Maybe the cravings hit hard or the scale just isn't moving as quickly as you'd hoped. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share how seeking inspiration from keto success stories can fuel your motivation, remind you why you started, and help you believe in yourself, especially when things get tough. Stick around because these 3 points might be the spark you need to keep going. Point number one: stories spark motivation. One of the most powerful motivators is hearing about someone else's transformation. Maybe it's a person who lost 40 pounds, reversed type 2 diabetes, or found the energy to keep up with their kids and grandchildren. Their story reminds us that success is possible, and it makes our own goals feel more realistic. Instead of just focusing on willpower, success stories give us proof. They're living examples that show if they can do it, so can you. The next time you're struggling, read or listen to someone's keto journey. You'll often find the path and push you need to stay on track. Point number two: stories build self-belief. Sometimes the hardest part isn't cutting carbs. It's believing you can stick with it. Success stories shift your mindset. You might hear from someone who once struggled with late night snacking, social events, or traveling on keto, exactly the same challenges you face. Hearing how they overcame and built up their confidence in their own ability to overcome obstacles can be very meaningful for you. Their story becomes a roadmap, proving that setbacks don't mean failure. They just mean you're a human being. And if they kept going and succeeded, you can do the same. Point number three: stories inspire action. The most powerful success stories don't just make us feel good, they inspire us to take action. Maybe someone shares a recipe that helped them beat cravings, or a tip for dining out that made keto easier. When you hear it, don't just think that's nice. Try it yourself. Let every story you hear push you to do something, whether it's cooking a new meal, committing to a workout, or simply choosing to stay consistent one more day. The inspiration only works if you put it into practice. So here's the takeaway. Whenever you feel stuck, turn to keto success stories. They'll spark motivation, build your belief, and inspire you to take action. And remember, your journey could be the very next story that inspires someone else. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more keto tips, and share this with someone who might need a boost of motivation today. Together, we can keep this journey strong. See you in the next video.